Hi, so what I've got is I've got a 10 metre on two separate spools, LED light strips that are actually waterproof, so you can put them outside if you really want to. They come with a really good, nice, large sized remote control. You've got some fixings, because obviously these can be cut. Yes, you can cut them. When you look through your LED lights, can you see there? That's it. You can cut and rejoin, and the manufacturers have very kindly given some spare accessories, so when you cut you can rejoin. This packaging, I just wanted to show you, but everything comes nicely packaged, so the remote control comes nicely packaged, and also the lights and everything's nicely boxed up, and also you've got instructions. Right, so with these lights I work on a 3-pin plug, which I've got plugged in, and you've also got the little box. I've only got one spool connected. Let's get them on. I mean, straight away, vibrant colours. Also, they work with sounds, so if there's music or voice, they'll change colours. There's a lot of different modes and functions. You can change the speed. Colours are very, very vibrant, like I earlier stated. You can make them dimmer, and you can make them brighter, which I like. I mean, that's a nice white. You've got an instant blue, green, or the red. I'm going to close the blinds to give you an idea, because I'm filming in the daytime, so I mean this is a little bit better. Right. But like I say, they flash different speeds. I mean, I just think they're very responsive, and they work straight away really well. I highly recommend them. I shall put the Amazon link to the seller for these, but this is obviously how one spool comes. So it comes nicely wrapped up, and also what I like is the thickness. These are really quite thick, and the sticky tapes obviously can be very sticky, but they look lovely. And like I say, you can cut and make them shorter and readjust to get around corners or door frames, but I just think these are lovely, and I think they're great value, to be honest. I won't say the price, you'll see the price when you get on Amazon. Thanks for watching my video.